Do you want to start a career in project management but don't know where to begin? In this video, I'll show you the fundamentals of project scheduling, explained in a simple and practical way, so you can start building real project plans with confidence. Project scheduling is the process of planning tasks, estimating time, assigning resources, and creating a clear timeline to deliver a project. Every successful project, from construction to IT, starts with a solid schedule. Without a proper schedule, projects face delays, cost blowouts, and confusion. A good schedule makes everything clear: who's doing what, when, and how. Here's an easy step-by-step method used by professionals, and you can do it in any tool. Step 1. List your tasks. Break the project into small, manageable activities. Step 2. Estimate durations. How long will each task take? 1 day? 3 days? 2 weeks? Step 3. Link task dependencies. Which tasks must happen first? For example, design, then build, then test, and finally deliver. Step 4. Add milestones. Milestones are important events like approvals or deliverables. Step 5. Assign resources. People, teams, equipment, assign them to each task. Build a strong, reliable schedule. You need 3 things: logical task flow, realistic durations, correct dependencies. This helps identify the critical path, the sequence of tasks that determines the project's finish date. New planners often make these mistakes: tasks not linked, durations too optimistic, no milestones, missing dependencies, ignoring resource overload. Avoid these and your schedule will immediately improve. Learning scheduling gives you a strong advantage in your career. It opens doors to roles like project coordinator, PMO, analyst, master scheduler, project manager, planner, or controller. Every industry needs strong schedulers: construction, IT, banking, telecom, engineering, defense, government, everywhere. If you want me to make a full beginner-friendly MS project or Primavera P6 tutorial, comment yes below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow for more scheduling and project management tips.